Another repair today. This is what we're dealing with. I've already taken it apart, but literally you pull out the bottom screws and then remove this cover, and then you got a bunch of other screws, so you could remove these two boards and still keep everything connected, right? And also this is gonna be your final board to be removed. Then you can get to the screen. So we're doing a screen replacement because this got dropped, screen went bad. We ended up ordering a new screen from China. It took about 2 weeks to get here. Now, let's make sure we got the right screen. And we're really concerned about the connections in the bottom. So we're gonna pull this out. It's right here. And looks about right. Yep. So yeah, we definitely got the right screen. Yep, it looks very much identical. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. First thing, I'm gonna remove this protective cover. Then we're gonna place into the unit, very careful. But we're gonna remove some fingerprint out of that screen first. So let's use a little microfiber cloth. Get a good end here. And we're gonna clean this. I'm gonna do both sides just so I could make sure that it's clean. You don't want to put it back together and then find out that you have all these nasty stuff on the inside, and then you got to take it out again. So I want to avoid all that. It's got some scratches on the outside. Those not going to be removable, but as soon as I get the inside nice and clean, that's what I care about. Okay, I think we're pretty good. All of the scratches that I see seems to be on the outside. Yep, nothing on the inside. Okay, now we can put that screen. We're gonna slide it just like this in there. There we go, sits right in place nicely. Put this here. Okay, now the next step is the connector, which runs off of this board. So I want to connect this. It's going to be just like this, but before I do so, we have this here that's going to go above it. The antenna is going to go right in here. Okay, that looks good. Very good. Next, I want to connect this antenna. Make sure all these are good. Good. Then I can flip it over. So, get this piece. I'm going to put some screws. Luck. Okay, always need a lot of luck. Okay, it's on, and we're gonna hold it just like this, and now we're gonna hit the power button right here and see if it boots up. I don't see any lights. Now let's press and hold it. Got my package from Amazon. Let's see what we got. So literally we need this. Let's see. Yeah, looks right. Check it out. Right size. So these are super long, but who cares, right? I'm gonna fold it in there, make it fit, you know what I mean? But that's all I need is this. and I ended up with a whole bunch, which I don't mind. I stored these things. I keep them for different reasons. So many different appliances and things needs them anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of this effed up one, throw this one in, and test this unit again. Okay, so I put it back together. I try to use some of that shield, which doesn't really make sense. Anyway, I gotta find a way to hide this under because it's so long, but I just put the power on. We're gonna see. Let me hold this by hand here. Just want to see if it turns on. Oh, it is booting up. Okay. Ooh, yeah, it's fully booty. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the screws very carefully. Okay, I flipped it over, and I'm gonna test a few things first. Let's see if the touch screen is working. Let's see. Okay, yep, touch screen is working, which is good. That means I plugged it right. Yep. I mean, that's really what I care about. I could look at the Wi-Fi, see. I don't have the password. Anyway, but I think I've done what I need to do. I could test the sound and all that. Let me see. It does got a volume up and down. I want to make sure that I have those right. Okay, so volume up. Yep. Okay, that's down. And volume up. Yeah, so it is a little backwards. So plus is down, but yeah, I did definitely got it right. And then the power button, which puts it to sleep. Yep. So guys, this repair is completed. I still have a few more screws to put back, but overall, I'm good. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And if you need some help, you have a similar repair, this is the way to do it.